How would you describe Guizhou in May and June? As a Guizhou native, I would describe it as the capital of gastronomy. Guizhou has different delicacies in different months. May and June are exclusive to the bayberry. Bayberry is a very particular fruit that only thrives in warm and rainy climates, and Guizhou's weather provides the ideal conditions for its growth. In addition, Guizhou's high mountainous terrain and mountain springs, as well as farmers' nurturing of the bayberry fruit, all give Guizhou's high-altitude bayberry a unique sour and sweet taste. Follow the exploration of deliciousness. Guizhou's high-altitude bayberry has a long history, over 1,000 years. Over the centuries, these ancient bayberry trees have silently witnessed the passage of time, absorbing the essence of the nature. Today, they still show vitality, and in May and June, they offer people the fragrant and delicious bayberry fruits, which are from the high-altitude ancient trees. The preciousness of the bayberry fruit is also reflected in its rarity, as it is only harvested once a year, making it difficult for some people to know it and to enjoy the unique taste of the fruit. Now, Chongyuanji has collected the highest quality bayberry and utilized their centuries-old brewing experience and modern production technology to make bayberry fruit into delicious juice that can be enjoyed anytime. Enjoying the taste of bayberry fruit without time limitation has become a reality. Chongyuanji brings the natural gift of thousands of years to the world and offers the sour and sweet taste from Guizhou to everyone.